Hello, friends. I finally decided to get the mesh bangle after a couple of days of reading and watching reviews and comparisons of bangles. So, yesterday I went to Pandora's store to see the actual bangle and to figure out whether I should get it or not. There are three things that made me decide in getting this one. First, I see the look of this bangle can stand out on its own. I feel that I can wear this without having the need to put on charms. And the second one is that I love the fact that it shimmers when it catches light. And the third one is that it is very simple, yet it gives the feel of elegance. So I really decided that I would give it a go. I would get myself a mesh bangle. Here are some close-up shots of the mesh bangle. I hope you like it.